Hi guys, just a little update on this 6-digit digital clock that I assembled the other day. I put a lead on it so we could run it off a USB power bank, but it's one of these components, circuits, that doesn't draw enough current. So that power bank, I can switch it on and you'll see the display comes on. But after about 30 seconds, that power bank says, no thanks, you're not drawing enough current, and it switches itself off. See if I can just waffle for 30 seconds while it switches itself off. While we're waiting, you can see this one that I put together a while ago. That one doesn't keep good time, it loses time, which I think is because it's got all this other stuff on it, slowing it down. It's showing the right time at the moment, but that's because I reset it this morning. Right, that thing, light's gone out. The time is maintained by the button cell, but the display switches off because it's not drawing enough current from that power bank. This one that I made from some vape batteries and the circuit board from a small power bank, a Poundland power bank actually, that one doesn't seem to worry so much. That one seems to keep running. So we'll leave it plugged into that one. I suppose I could waffle for another 30 seconds, just see if it does power off. What else can we see in the picture? We can just about see this pulse motor is nearly going. It's trying to self-start. It's grey sky out there. It's not actually a sunny day. I expect I could give that a little poke to keep it going. When I say give it a poke, I'm just going to wave a magnet next to it. And that's enough to get it past the point where it carries on. And that one, I don't think I can do that with. I don't think I can get enough movement to get that one going. Nah. Need to take the top off to give it a start. Anyway, I'm only waffling to see if that one switches itself off, which it hasn't done yet. So it looks like that one will continue running with less current draw. Quite scary, that one. Anyway, yeah, so it's another one of these circuits that doesn't draw very much current. But that module in that power bank doesn't seem to worry about it and keeps running.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.